Today, I'm going to speak to you about how you can let more love into your life. First, I will share with you some ideas of how to increase the amount of love you are experiencing. Then, I will do a very powerful exercise with you to open up to universal love and allow it to flow into your heart and into your whole body. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also support my work in producing these short films through patreon.com. There are several ways to renew the love in your life. For example, you can spend more time in nature. Go walking or hiking in nature. Enjoy a sunset. Find and enjoy the sound of fresh flowing water. Closely examine the beauty of a single rock or leaf. Perhaps you can build a fire. Hang a wind chime. Start a few plants indoors. Any number of simple activities can reconnect us with nature. The most important part is noticing the beauty of the natural world, allowing yourself to be awestruck and falling in love with nature all over again. This is a definite way to experience sweet, simple, almost effortless love. Another thing you can do is practice acts of kindness. This could be as small as opening a door for someone or paying a stranger's cup of coffee, spending an entire day in the service to a project that is close to someone else's heart, to volunteer. When we give to others, we experience joy vicariously through them, and this leads us to experience deeper levels of empathy on a regular basis. Giving also allows us to experience human connection instantly and deeply. This is a particularly good antidote for feelings of loneliness. And what about who you're keeping company with? It's no secret that we often behave like the company we keep. Children and animals frequently enjoy living their lives with open hearts simply by virtue of their innocence. Even children and animals who have been hurt seem to exude an incredible resilience that we can learn quite a bit from. Try letting a child lead you around for a few hours. Get on the floor and experience the world from their perspective. Snuggle your dog or your cat and feel their energy, letting go of your adult thoughts for a while. You will feel a warm and fuzzy feeling inside. Another way of awakening love in you is that you can practice forgiving. When you're forgiving yourself or someone else, letting go is an incredible heart-opening exercise. The regrets and fears associated with holding on to past hurts weighs us down on a daily basis and sap our energy, making it more difficult for us to love ourselves and others freely. When we let go, we free ourselves to love again, and you may be giving someone else a little more room to change for the better. Sometimes you feel so stuck or resentful that you can't seem to forgive the other person. That's when I always remember the Greek philosopher Plato, who taught, "Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a harder battle." When you feel resentment towards someone, try to imagine that they have some deep trauma that they're dealing with, That's much worse than anything you have ever gone through. And now let's do a meditation to open and awaken your heart center. I want you to get into a comfortable position. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Take a deep breath and relax. Take another deep breath and relax, holding your eyes closed to look up. Go to where you can connect and feel a light. This area is usually in the area of the forehead or just a little in front of the forehead. When you focus your attention on that area in front of your forehead, you will begin to feel a kind of magnetism or light. Allow the light to come into your body and fill your head, fill your face, fill your ears, fill your brain, and let the light move onto your throat, your shoulders, and allow this liquid light to move through your arms, your elbows, and out of your hands. And allow this light to continue from your throat down into your chest and your heart space. Feel it going deep into your rib cage, your abdomen, filling all the little corners with light. Allow this light to move into your hips, your thighs, and move the light into your knees, your calves, and your feet. Allow this energy, this beautiful golden light, to move into the ground and send a beam of light through the earth and connecting to the center of our planet. Feel this earthly loving support and allow the whole earth to give you something back and send some light upwards, this beam of light, right back into your heart. You're inviting the highest light source from below and above. It is vibrating at the highest rate, vibrating from pure love consciousness. And when you're ready, connect to your heart, where both lights are meeting, and breathe in light through the middle of your heart, allowing this light to expand out into a transparent sphere of light, filling your heart center with pure loving consciousness. Connect your heart and think, I love. Think of things that you love and keep listing. I love. I love. I love. I am open and receiving the energy of more and more love. And take another deep breath and breathe in light through the middle of your heart and allow it to expand out around your body into a transparent sphere of pure loving energy surrounding and encompassing your body. And think to yourself, I am love. I am love. I am open and receive the energy of more and more love each day. Breathe in light through the middle of your heart and allow it to expand outwards, filling your body with more and more love. And feel the love flowing from you outwards to the rest of the world. I am giving and receiving love. I am giving and receiving love with every breath you take. And take another deep breath and breathe in the light through the middle of your heart and allow it to fill that sphere of energy surrounding your body. Allow this energy to move in between the spaces of all the spaces, in between the molecules and the cells, in between your DNA and your RNA, creating perfect little spheres of love, blessing every single part of you, like a shower of love. Allow this light to infuse all the atomic and subatomic levels, generating vitality in all ways. Repeat, I am pure love. I am pure love. I am pure love. Breathe in light through the middle of your heart and allow it to fill the energy that is inside you, filling you with pure, loving consciousness. Simply open up to more and more waves of love. I love. I am love. I am a loving being. Now place your right palm on your heart and say this oath to yourself. I will remember this loving moment, especially in challenging times. I will remember the love that I have for myself and for the other, no matter how much they try to hide their love. I will be forgiving and understanding and do the right thing, no matter what is challenging me. For I am love. I am love. You just have to breathe it in through the center of your heart and allow it to expand within you. You are pure love. Always remember that. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. If you'd like to support my films, go to patreon.com and share your love with me.